Welcome, in front of me I have LG K62 Plus, and today I will show you how you can log out from one of your Gmail account. So when you are in the Gmail, you have to click on the right upper corner, tap to manage accounts on this device. Next you have to pick account that you want to remove, and click to remove account. Tap remove on the right bottom corner, and as you can see right now when we go back, we are only logging with one account. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.